Can I do lesbians? No, I can't do that. It's not allowed. I can make a piece of art for them though. Have you seen the lesbian flag? I mean, how many colours do you need, girls? Big plate, outline that. I think we'll go for the pinks inside this circle. Cover all that in the white with a little black at the bottom. Grab the little weekly and crumple it up. We'll do it like Ainsley. Give your paint a good old rub. Yeah, boy. Shadow down here. Just let that dry a little. It's a beautiful day. We should have a quick game of guess the comments while we wait. Something about Jesus or God and finding them. No, you can't find them. Why are you encouraging people's mental disabilities? Nah, mate. They just like the V, not the P. I'm unfollowing because of this. Dun dun dun. Good. Cheers, Dan. So on that note, if you aren't one of those people, now would be a good time to drop me a follow. Now it's dry, I can grab the plate and put it back down here. The rest of the colours are all like oranges, so I'm just going to blast those around. Dark one down here. Now we're going to cover everything in black. Now for the stars, I want a little white on my finger. I can smell the comments, just pack it in. Shot of white up here. Tint that with some gleaming pink. Remove. Nice. Now I need this guy. Sharpen him up a bit. With a little clear coat, we're going to make this nice and moist. Little mist down here. Now we're going to make Lesbian City. Said no one ever. This up the middle is the headquarters. What is discussed here, I have absolutely no idea, so please tell me in the comments. We'll just carry on with the rest of the buildings here. I'll just shade the bottom of these in with black. And that allows us to get on with our bigger buildings in the foreground. I think we'll add some spotlights up here and up here. Okay, now I need this guy. We'll put him down here. Now I want some black here and here. Power orange here and here. Gleaming pink right here and here. I've just sprayed it up there, damn it. Actually, that looks like it's part of the spotlight. I got away with it. White down here. I'll take my phalange and just rub it across the page like this. Ooh, yeah, beautiful. Now with the white, I'm gonna shoot the straight edge to give myself a misty waterline. Black across the bottom. Scratch out some interesting looking rocks here. Touch of white mist to the bottom. Squiggle mad deal. Hope the lesbians approve. And boom, Lesbian City. What's next?